Hey, I'm John McLaughlin. Welcome to another video. So if you're somebody that uses Camtasia, the screen sharing or the screen recording software from Techsmith, sometimes you might find that the audio and the video will be out of sync. Okay, and of course you can't produce it like that. It looks ridiculous. And what I've done, I've just produced a video and the audio is out of sync with the visual. So what I'm going to do is show you how I rectify it. There are lots of different solutions online. If you go onto Techsmith's website, they will give you solutions, but to be honest, you've got to be something of a bit of a tech genius to understand what they're actually trying to say. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the way that I rectify it. This is generally what I do on the majority of my productions. And sometimes it can be down to your video codec not being quite right, or your computer just being a little bit out of spec. I've got a really high powered computer, and yet the problem still happens. So let me just show you what's happened here. Let me just put the microphone a bit close to the speaker. Okay, I'm just going to play this. So here, have a look at this. This is me. Okay, just listen to this.
I'm John McLaughlin. Welcome to day 66. We are promoting ClickBank products using my...
So you see how annoying that is. Okay, I mean, for me, I'm a video guy, and I've got a degree in video making or filmmaking, so that is totally unacceptable. So what I do, I come over to the timeline where the video is. I right click and I go separate video and audio. Okay, so that puts it on two different aspects. And what I've noticed is a common problem, and what I'll do, I'll just click and I'll drag this. I'll make sure that the timeline is zoomed all the way in, okay, so it's a bit more accurate. So I'm going to drag this, and what I tend to do as well, if you look at this, I have to click and drag, select 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it does that sort of thing. So if you zoom all the way in first, it can be a lot more beneficial. Okay, so I'm going to just take it to the start of the audio, play it, see how we are.
I'm John McLaughlin. Welcome to day 66.
Okay, so it's out, but it's a little bit better. So I'm going to drag it to there, go back, see if it's any better.
I'm John McLaughlin. Welcome to day 66. We are promoting Click.
Still out. Okay, and you get used to looking at it. When I first started doing this, it was like, is it too near the front or too near the back? Okay, but you get an idea. Okay, so let's see where we are right now.
I'm John McLaughlin. Welcome to day 66. We are promoting ClickBank products.
So it's there a bit more, be a tiny bit.
I'm John McLaughlin. Welcome to day 66. We are promoting ClickBank products using MacLeod.
Okay, that sounds about right. Okay, and what it does, if your audio is out with the visual, it just makes it distant. There's almost like there's a big distance between you and where you are and how you connect with your audience. And then suddenly when you bring it back into sync, it's a lot better. Okay, so let's just do that again, just to make sure. It might just be a tiny bit, but I think that's probably about enough.
I'm John McLaughlin. Welcome to day 66. We are promoting ClickBank products.
That'll do. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, because obviously what you don't want is there's no image of me there.
I'm John McLaughlin. Welcome.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to here. I'm going to make sure these are all activated. Okay, just going to click and drag all the way down. Okay, I'm going to click S on my keyboard to split. I'm going to bring it all the way back down, delete all that. Okay, highlight everything and then just drag it back to the beginning of the timeline. Okay, and then make sure this goes a bit smaller, and then we can finish our production in the usual way. Okay, so here we go, let's play it again.
McLaughlin, welcome to day 66.
Let's make sure that starts where it should.
I'm John McLaughlin. Welcome to day 66. We are promoting ClickBank products using MacLeod Secret. So let me go and head over to Mike.
There we go. Okay, so that's what I do to make sure the audio and the visual is in sync, using Techsmith or just using Camtasia. Okay, and as you probably noticed, I'm using quite an old version of Camtasia because I'm a bit tight. Okay, I like to think, okay, I'm going to buy it once and that's it. Okay, and yes, you do need to kind of update occasionally, particularly when they start crashing all over the place. They just make it so you have to purchase, update after update after update. Okay, but this is the first ever. I don't even know what. Let's ever see what okay, version 8.6. Okay, purchased in 2015. Okay, and that's because I kind of refuse to keep buying updates when I've already purchased the software to start with. Okay, but I know at some point I'll have to purchase the software when it becomes totally totally unusable. But for now, that's what I do. So I'm quite happy with that. Anyway, hope that helped. If you did, click the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next training. Bye for now.